Hi students, today we are going to start a new chapter, quadratic equation for 11th standard student. Now first of all let us discuss what is quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is an expression where a, b, c are the coefficients and a should be not equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation of x where a, b, c are the coefficient and a should be not equals to 0. This is called a quadratic equation. Now, how could we solve this quadratic equation? We know we can solve any quadratic equation by middle term break, but in case we can't solve the quadratic equation by middle term break, there is another method we can solve the quadratic equation, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a, b, c are the coefficient of x and c is the constant. This is called Sridhar Acharya formula. With the help of this formula, we can solve any quadratic equation. Now let's start. Sum number 1. Let us solve sum number 1. Here, solve 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by x equals to 1 by p plus q plus x, where p and q not equals to 0. First, we have to find solve means we have to find equation value of x from this expression. Now, question number 1. 1 by p plus 1 by q equals to 1 by p plus q plus x minus 1 by x coming right hand side. Now, pq is LCM. Here p plus q, arranging this, q plus p, p plus q. Here x into p plus q plus x minus p minus q minus x plus x cancel. Then implies p plus q over pq equals to minus taking common p plus q over xp plus xq plus x square. This and this cancel. Now cross multiplying this implies x square plus px plus qx minus pq equals to 0. Now taking common, here x is common, x plus p plus, this is coming minus, this should be positive because minus pq coming left hand side. Then q x plus p equals 0, that is x plus p into x plus q equals 0. Then x equals to minus p, x equals to minus q. This is the solution of the given expression. Next, sum number 2. Question number 2 is here. Solve this. This equals to a by x, where x not equals to 0. You have to solve this. Now we have to for rationalizing this. Question number 2, rationalizing. Then multiplying a plus x, plus value multiply numerator denominator. That is a plus x plus root over of a minus x, root over of a plus x plus root over of a minus x over root over of a plus x minus root over of a minus x into root over of a plus x plus root over of a minus x equals to a by x. Multiplying this numerator denominator, that is rationalization. Now this is a whole square, this is 2 times, that is implies root over of a plus x plus root over of a minus x whole square. And this a, suppose this a plus b, a square minus b square, that is root over of a plus x whole square minus root over of a minus x whole square equals to a by x. Now breaking this, a plus b whole square formula equals to a plus x plus a minus x plus 2 root over of ab, this into this, that is a square minus x square over a plus x minus a plus x. This minus is my plus. That equals to a by x. X cancel, a cancel. That is 2 common a plus root over of a square minus x square over 2x equals to a by x. These two cancel, x cancel. Then implies a plus root over of a square minus x square equals to a cancel. That is a square minus x square equals to 0. That is x square equals to a square. X equals to plus minus a. That is the x equals to plus minus a. That is the answer. Next sum number 3. Question number 3. Solve this. This is the expression given. You have to solve this. Let question number 3. Let x square plus 3x equals to a. X square plus 3x equals to a. Then we can put it here. Root over of a plus 32 plus root over of a plus 5 equals to 9. A plus 5 equals to 9. Now this is coming right hand side. Implies root over of a, this is left. A plus 32 equals to 9 minus root over of a plus 5. Now squaring both sides, that is a plus 32, squaring both sides. A square plus a plus 5 minus 8 to the 9 to the 18 root over of a plus 5. This a cancel. This is coming left hand side. That is 18 root over of a plus 5 equals to 86 minus 32. That is 18 root over of a plus 5 equals to 82 minus 86 by 32 is 54. Implies root over of a plus 5 equals to 3. That is a plus 5 equals to 9. Squaring. Value of a is x square. X square plus 3x plus 5 minus 9 equals to 0. That is x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. That is x square minus plus 4x minus x minus 4 equals to 0. That is x plus 4 minus 1, x plus 4 equals to 0. Then x equals to x square plus minus 4. Then this is x minus 4. X square plus 3x. Then x plus 4, x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to minus 4 and 1. That is the value of the answer. Next sum number 4. Question number 4. For what value of k the expression this is perfect square? Perfect square we have to prove discriminant. First of all you have to know the characteristic of quadratic equation. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a quadratic equation. What is the discriminant? D equals to b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If it is equals to 0, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, real and equal, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are imaginary. These are the characteristic of this quadratic equation. To find the characteristic of quadratic equation, we are to find the discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If it is 0, then it is greater than 0, then it is real and unequal. If it is equals to 0, then it is real and equal. And the value of this b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it is imaginary. It is perfect square. You have to discriminant should be 0. Perfect square discriminant should be 0. So here this is a. Here a equals to minus 2 3k plus 1. B equals to 7. A equals to 1. Here a equals to 1. B equals to minus 2 3k plus 1 and C is 7 into 3 plus 2k. Now discriminant b square minus 4ac equals to 0. But as it is perfect square, discriminant should be 0. That is b square equals to 4ac. That b square is minus 2 3k plus 1 whole square equals to 4 into 1 into 7 into 2k plus 3. Now breaking this, that is 4 9k square plus 6k plus 1 equals to 4 into 14k plus 21. This 4 cancel. That is 9k square plus 6k plus 1 minus 14k minus 21 equals 0. That is 9k square minus 8k plus 20. Here 180 is product value. Now we can't break it, is a middle term break. We have to do find it. This equals to 0. Now using Sridharacharya formula, k equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac over 2a. To solve this second degree equation, quadratic equation, we have to break. We can use the Sridharacharya formula. Here here a is 9, b is minus 8 and c is 20. That is minus a is 9, b is minus 8. That is 8 plus minus over 64 minus 4 into 9 into 20 over 2 into 9 equals to 8 plus root over of 64 b square minus 4ac 64, and here c is 4ac. Here c is minus 20. This is minus 20. Minus 20. This should be minus 20. This is minus 20. That is plus 720 by 18. That equals to 8 plus minus 720, 7 root over of 720, 64, 4, 784 square root is 32 by 18. Here value is this. Now k equals to 8 plus 32 is the square root of 784. Taking plus 80 by 18, taking minus, k equals to minus 80 by 18, 36, taking plus 38, 40 by 18 and minus 32, it is here 7 is 28, this is square root is 28, that is 36 by 18 and minus 20 by 18. That is their value is 2 minus 10 by 9. That is a quadric. Here 784 square root 2 to the 4. 28 is the square root of this. Okay. Next, sum number 5. Question number 5. If the square root of, if the roots of the equation this is equal, we have to prove this. Here, roots are equal means we have to find discriminant should be 0. That is question number 5. Here D discriminant should be 0. That is b square equals to 4ac we have to find. This is whole thing is a, this is b, this is c. That is b square means b into c minus a whole square equals to 4 into a into b minus c into c into a minus b. Now break this. That is b square c square plus a square minus 2ac equals to 4ac. 4ac ab minus b square minus ac plus bc implies that is b square c square plus b square a square minus 2b square ac equals to 4a square bc minus 4ab square c minus 4a square c square plus 4ab square 4ab c square. Now this all coming right hand left hand side, that is b square c square plus a square b square plus 4a square c square minus 2 b square ac minus 4 a square bc plus 4a b square c minus 4ab c square equals 0. We can write bc plus ab minus 2ac. We can write bc plus ab minus 2ac whole square, because a b c, a plus b plus c whole square formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus or plus 2ab 2bc 2ac b square ac this should be b square AC. This should be plus 2b square AC. Now breaking this, look here, b square c square, a square b square plus 4a square c square plus 2b square AC plus 2 4a b c square plus minus 4a square bc. 4a square bc. So this equals to 0. A plus b plus whole square formula, a square b square c square plus twice ab twice bc twice ac. We will get this. That means we can write bc plus ab equals to twice ac. Dividing ABC both sides, this by ABC, this by ABC, because we have to prove this. So if we this by this equals to 1 by A, this by this equals to 1 by C equals to 2 by ACC cancelled, 2 by B proved. Now we can prove this sum number 5. Next, last sum number 6. Question number 6. This is question number 6. Find n. Show that the roots of the equation these have equal. Here roots of this equation is equal means you have to find, question number 6, discriminant should be 0. That is b square minus 4ac equals 0. That is b square equals to 4ac. What is this? Is a, this is b, this is c. Here a is 4 plus m, b is m plus 1 and c is 1. Put it here. That is m plus 1 whole square equals to 4 into 4 plus m into 1. Now breaking this implies m square plus 2m plus 1 equals to 16 plus 4m. Implies m square minus 2m minus 15 equals to 0. Implies m square minus 5m plus 3m minus 3m minus 15 equals to 0. m minus 5 plus 3m minus 5 equals to 0. Then m is 5, m is minus 3. That is the solution of the given, that is the value of the m if the given expression have equal roots. Now please go through the notes and please keep the notes in your book, exercise book, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.